A practical repair mindset starts with listing 5 common items in every home that drain money when they fail. First, tackle leaky faucets and dripping toilets by replacing inexpensive seals, which slashes water bills and avoids wasteful replacements. Next, extend appliance life by cleaning coils, filters, and vents monthly, saving energy and delaying costly new purchases. Then, use basic tools to reseat loose switches or fix cords, often preventing a major outage that could derail weeks. Finally, document every fix in a simple notebook and compare the cost of repair versus replacement to prove the habit pays for itself.